Hi, welcome to AI Day number 65. So today's topic is all about AI art, and for this, uh, recently there was talk about a trending topic about Ghibli style. So it can create real life images into anime related cartoon, and it was very well appreciated across the general public, and they tried to use their images into this Ghibli style. Also, during that time, there was a discussion about or concern about how AI, artist uh, talent being infringed, so they cannot hold their copyright over this style, different style, because Ghibli style creator, he expressed concern that what he has learned over the years, and AI just destroyed that or kind of use their his talent to create images without giving proper due or like uh, credit to his style. So it was all discussed during that time, few weeks back, but and it seems that this particular Ghibli style topic is being faded, but there is new trending topic we have now, that action figures, and both these Ghibli styles and action figures are being created in mainly in uh, a chat GPT. So we can see that over social media we have this action figure. So this particular action figures we have, and related professional or personal artifacts we can see in this uh, toy box. We can see that, and many users are trying to create this action figures. So we can have, like, they can present their professional or personal skill or hobbies in kind of biodata, but with uh, action figures. So we are seeing this trending nowadays. Yeah, this is a perfect image. So we can see it mostly contain uh, person and his related things which he wanted to relate on social media. And it's kind of like Barbie or kids toy, and it seems they are well appreciated. But and also there is a uh, curiosity, like how can we create these images into videos. So we also have that. You can check that on this YouTube or social media, how you can create this like uh, action figures with AI video. So just to give one of the example, we have this.
Such action figure A videos are very trending. You too should make them quickly or else the trend will end. There are two easy steps.
So you may get different, you need to use different AI videos soft tools. So with you first need to create action figures image, and then that action figure image you need to use in AI video tools. So those images can be animated. But for to create that image action figures, you need to use prompts. So for that we have kind of standardized prompt available. yeah, from Chat GPT tricks. This particular prompt is very famous. So it a picture of collection of action figure titles what you want to that figure called in sealed plastic pack on cardboard backing. A figure is posed confidently inside the transparent plastic shell surrounded by three accessories. You can mention more than three, but most of the time three is very perfectly fitted in that particular box. So other like figure and these thing three things can be perfectly visible. So three is basic, but you can use more than that. Accessories that reflect their personality or career. The character is wearing. You need to provide outfit description and has a you need to provide facial expression as well. Like uh, is it happy or stressed or angry? The packaging features a color scheme or pattern. Uh, I think you can skip that part for color scheme or pattern. Background with bold letters at the top displaying the name, then again figure name which you already mentioned at start, and the subtitle action figure beneath it. The visual style is playful, minimal, and toy-like with smooth surface and soft lighting that mimics the look of real plastic. So you can use that. So for this I think they already have uh, chat gpt tricks, they already have few examples. Yeah, you can see this. So with this prompt, this is the accurate uh, action figures they have created, which you can see for reference, and you can create your own at same time. And I think this trend started as per newsweek.com article. It is started with TikTok. Most of the social media related trend are started with TikTok, even though it's banned in most of the country, or they are different countries are trying to ban, but social media related trends are mostly started with TikTok only. So no single critic is behind the moment. The trend gained steam in early 2025. TikTok users have showcased the box avatar in videos, with some using hashtag Barbie box challenge. So it start with similar, like it's Barbie box, and in that they were providing their avatar. So from this particular trend started. And also since it is a kind of like perfect uh, physical action figure we have, which we can see in image. Also there is a like there are videos we can make out. Also with this cnet.com article, uh, I found that they uh, author tried to. So this author tried to create actually real life 3D uh, 3D figure, and it turns out not well. But different artists they can create their own version in real time, and they can keep on their study table in office or at home, or they can provide as a gift to their loved ones. So I will like provide this all articles link in description. That's it for today, and hope you like the video. uh, if you like the video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and let's meet next time with another AI day for another interesting topic. Thank you.